3 reasons why Terra Classic price could explode to $1 in 2024, and what's next for Lunc. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with why the Terra Classic price could explode to $1 in 2024. Cryptocurrencies moderately rebounded this week, but bulls are not in the clear yet. For instance, although Terra Classic climbed slightly above 0.30's $1 from support at 0.40's $9, it had corrected to 0.40's $95 during U.S. business hours on Wednesday. Further losses seem to hovering across the market amid expected doldrums before an anticipated pre-halving rally. Halving is an event that triggers a special Bitcoin code every 4 years, slashing miner rewards. The impact of this is a significant reduction in the supply of BTC. Historically, BTC price has rallied exponentially, following the halving backed by a spike in the demand for the coin. This has often positively impacted other crypto to buy tokens like Lunc. Terra Classic is fast approaching an area where it bottomed following the massive sell-off in 2022. This support at 0.40's $54 was successfully tested in October 2023, allowing bulls to take the reins and push for a sharp rebound to 0.30's $28 in December. According to the Fibonacci levels, Lunc has already corrected more than the expected retracement to a ratio of 0.618 from the previous peak. If this decline continues, Terra Classic might explore under the rising trend line on the daily chart, a move that could lead to another sweep of liquidity at 0.40's $54. Although the chart might look dilapidated for buying the dip, trading near the bottom price implies that a rebound will take place sooner or later. Besides, the RSI, although not oversold, is gradually closing in on 30. A dash into the oversold region would be the bullish signal investors would need to buy the dip. Despite the negative publicity Terra Classic and other ecosystem tokens like the Terra Classic USD faced following the Terra LUNA crash saga, the community never backed out of supporting the project. The Terra Classic community was the main force behind the commendable rally in the fourth quarter. With such backing, Lunc has the potential to hit highs above $1 as it strives to regain its former glory. The Terra Classic community has cumulatively burned 95 billion Lunc tokens since May 2022. Reducing the project supply has become a priority likely to boost its standing and performance in the market. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, contributes immensely to the Lunc token burn program. So far, the exchange has removed from supply 49.1 billion tokens, approximately 51.7% of the total burn, CoinGate reported. With the next burn round upcoming on February 1st, the community anticipates a total of more than 100 billion Lunc to have been sent to a non-recoverable wallet. Bottom line, the Terra Classic project must purpose to increase network development and enhance Lunc's utility to increase the burn rate as it seeks to significantly trim the supply currently at 6.81 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap. Now let's talk about what's happening with Terra LUNA Classic. Imagine it as a team of neighbors helping each other after a storm. Not flashy, just people lending a hand. The Terra 2.0 network and Terra Classic are like those neighbors, working quietly to build things up again. For the folks investing in this journey, here are the 5 things to know about what exactly happening with Terra LUNA Classic. Just a few days back, the developers at Joint L1 Task Force, the brains behind Terra LUNA Classic, had their core security upgrade package proposal up for voting in the Terra LUNA Classic community. It's a step that came at the right time, given the various challenges faced by Lunc in its revival journey and the hopes for USTC repeg, despite a significant effort from crypto exchange Binance last year. Proposal 12008, named L1TF Terra Classic Core Security Upgrade Package, was up for voting on the station wallet. The goal of this proposal was to enhance the security and stability of the chain by upgrading its core components. Additionally, a step toward meeting the infrastructure needs for TFL support. It's like giving the system a security boost and strengthening the foundations for a smoother journey ahead. Proposal 11889, titled Pay-per-Job and Governance Rule Job List, successfully passed. The community wasn't entirely on board with the monthly model of roadmap and payment planning, so they've decided to shake things up and switch to a pay-per-job model. The support for the proposal was overwhelming, with a whopping 91.99% of yes votes and others mostly opting to abstain. It was a sign that this change will optimize the compensation structure, bring in flexibility and transparency, ramp up community engagement, and tackle risk mitigation. Out of the 56 validators in the game, 49 gave a nod to the proposal, and 7 decided to play it safe with an abstain. Big names in the validation game, including Allnodes, Orion, Interstellar Lounge, Stakely, and Stakebin, gave their approval. With L1TF transitioning into a maintenance mode for Q4, there's a bunch of tasks waiting in the wings for attention on Terra Classic. The switch to a paper job approach is expected to handle these tasks more efficiently. Moving forward, new job listings can be proposed through governance text proposals, complete with all the details: job title, a thorough description, budget, and estimated duration. It's a fresh approach to get things done in Terra Classic. In an update from the Terra LUNA Classic community, it appears that the proposal for the core security upgrade package by L1TF has hit a roadblock. The community has decided to reject the proposal, and one of the reasons cited for the rejection was the influence of Proposal 11889. This earlier proposal introduced a paper job approach for developments, and validators, including notable ones like Allnodes, voted no on the core security upgrade package, pointing to the preference for the paper job model. It's a clear indication of the community's stance on development approaches within the Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem. In a turn of events, the Terra LUNA Classic community has rejected Joint L1 Task Force's Core Security Upgrade Package Proposal 12008, despite its importance for boosting the chain's security and stability. The proposal was also deemed crucial for meeting the requirement for TFL infrastructure support. Unfortunately, the proposal didn't garner enough support, receiving less than 30% of votes in favor. Key validators, including Allnodes, Interstellar Lounge, Interstake 1, Moonrabbit Validator, and Lunc DAO, voted against it. One validator emphasized the broader consequences, stating, "Blocking pull requests not only impede the immediate progress of the chain, but also have far-reaching consequences, diminishing the collaborative spirit and trust within the community. This can ultimately hinder the long-term success and sustainability of Terra Classic." In response to the previous paper job proposal, validator Lunc Live introduced Proposal 12013 to repeal it. This proposal argues that the paper job approach led to uncertainty and confusion within the community, builders, and validators. It seems like Terra LUNA Classic is navigating a complex landscape as it seeks to find the most effective development and governance models. And lastly, let's talk about that the Terra Classic hits Lunc staking record as holders await burns. The battle-scared Terra LUNA Classic blockchain is struggling as the market value of Lunc continues to trade in a downward spiral. However, the on-chain data hints at Lunc holders expecting a breakthrough moment as the staked crypto on the Layer 1 network scorched past the 1 trillion mark. Currently, at 1.02 trillion, the staked amount represents 15% of the total Lunc supply. Many Terra Classic community stakers and validators are reaching for 20% as the next goal. At the same time, prominent member Saklain Ali emphasized how the Terra Classic community relies upon Lunc burns to maintain the altcoin's market value. While the social sentiment towards Lunc is at an all-time low and many Lunc holders are disappointed to see a 31.5% monthly downturn, the community is making mutual efforts to break out of the bear trap. December 2023 was highlighted by Lunc's stellar 300% bull run. However, the reclaimed $1 billion market capitalization didn't last long, as Lunc dropped out of the top 50 and is close to retracing the triple-digit gains. So how do you think? Can Lunc break the bearish trend line? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunky token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.